This is what happens when trees start falling. You call the electric company and they won't come out. You got trees on the wire. They have just been called again. And if they don't come out, then we're going to have to get the saw and cut it ourselves. Alpha called to the electric company. They still hadn't got here yet. So we're going to try to start cutting this tree ourselves. That dead one on the top, I'm gonna go up on the bank and cut some of it on the back end. So far, one tree down, one to go. Haven't broken the wire yet. Let's tackle this last tree. Doing work on this last cut, it should take care of the tree. See where it started. See that electric line and pop back up, probably about a good 18 feet up in the air. And the tree had it down to almost 12 feet off the ground. So we got this tree cut down. No broken wires. Nobody didn't get hurt.